Alright, the objective here is we're gonna recreate the reference photo that will be flashed on the screen later as accurately and as creatively as possible at a given time. Okay, so there will be two groups for this game. 6 members per group. Group 1 will be 3 Horizon members and 3 Anchors. And then Group 2 will be another 3 Horizon members and another 3 Anchors. Will this be group yourselves? Yeah. Let's group ourselves. Alright. Ayan na. Hati agad. Oh, Kyler, magbilang tayo. 1, 2, 3. Dito pala, Kyler. Diba? Grabe talaga. Alright. So, we'll give 15 seconds to flash what you're gonna recreate on the screen. And then after that 15 seconds, you're gonna get another 20 seconds to recreate the pose. Tandaan nyo guys, the most creative, the most accurate team will win. So who wants to go first?
Us.
Ay, bato-bato pick. Kasi ka, bato-bato pick.
Okay, bato-bato pick. Sino? Okay, ako. Ano ba gusto nyo? Korean? Anlen jingo, kawi-bawi mo!
Diba? Kayo yung makakili. Okay, huwag na.
Uy, mo! Take turn mo. Alright! So, group 1, please come. Yeah, gitna po tayo. Tabi po tayo on day. Group 2. Ayan.
So, tingin muna kami dito.
Yes, tingin muna tayo sa screen.
Show the screen din.
Yes, 15 seconds. Si Kyler talaga. Dito ko Kyler. Alright, can we show the picture?
Wow, grabe. Oh.
Yeah, manual timer.
Sampay.
Oh.
Okay, tingin.
Oh. Parang lumiit ka. Alright, 15 seconds. Oh.
Ito. Okay.
Okay na?
Oo, pwede namin mag-pose. Oo. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, go.
Okay, 20 seconds.
Left foot.
Okay,
Right hand side. Back of it.
Ala, mali. Ay, mali. Tignan mo. Sila left foot, ikaw right. Uy!
Ano? Tama na eh.
Okay. Patingin nga. Sino mag-judge dito? Kaya mo mag-judge, guys?
Gusto mo ako na mag-judge?
Parang may naamoy ako ng hindi maganda. Sorry. Alright, our 20 seconds is there. Alright, do you think they did good, guys? Who did the best? Okay, dahil dyan, 30 minutes tayo ganun. Joke lang. Alright, thank you. Okay. Team 1, that was team 1. Parang masyadong madali, Alright, group 2, can we please go at the center of the stage? So dahil dyan, meron kayong 1 point. We're gonna flash 6 pictures. We'll take a turn. Alright, group 2, second picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright! Okay. Pumunta ano? Nagagalit na sila.
Mali si Kuya Wilson, mali!
Parang,
Mali si Kuya Wilson!
mali si Kuya Wilson?
Mali!
Bakit?
Dito, nakapulo siya. Nandun ako.
Hindi, ang nakikita ko, dapat yung paa ni ate, basta dito. Ayan. Oh, pero talo. Talo, no? So, among the... Oh, sige na, tama na. Tayo na kayo. Oh, ano ba? Lolo. Ayun ang Okay, sabihin nyo, who did better? Group 1 or Group 2? Yan ang gusto ko sa actors. Despite na may mga bias na sila, fair sila. Mas nagiging one. One. Alright. Oh, Group 1, meron pa tayo. Oh, meron pa.
Sana wala nang pagdala na sa matos.
Kaya ako sana wala eh, no?
Oo.
Sana talaga. So, can we please flash the next picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Tama lahat, kaso may kulang kay Marcos eh.
Yung ano yung mukha?
Oo, di ba yung mukha, di ba? Gusto niyo yan? Patingin? Gusto mo? Ayoko! Okay. Very good.
Mukhang magiging mahirap to ah.
Ayaw na ni Marcus mag-intro. Okay, group 2, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Dito,
Yes.
We're ready. Go, let's go.
group 2, nandiyan na. Energy. Sigaw. Kyler, sigaw. Alright, second picture. Let's go! Ay! Oh, bilang na kayo.
1, 2, 3! Ay!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hanggang saan ba? Wala.
Ang kaya, ang hirap naman. Two, patingin.
Wala.
Patingin.
Wala.
Bakit may pa?
Wala.
Si Wilson? Wala naman na doon. Okay, patingin. Correct.
May kulang.
Nasa ulan yung kamay
May
niya.
kulang. May kulang.
Grabe no. Ang sakit.
May kulang. Tingnan mo ang galit lang ka lang.
Oo, di ba? O tama na.
Sumasayday na siya sa akin.
Sabi ni ate,
Nag-ano siya?
kanina, nag-eye contact kami nito ni ate, parang yung mata niya, bakit ko ito ginagawa? Gusto mo na? Alright, thank you, group 2. Okay, kagaya kanina, kayo ang magiging judge. Who do you think is better, 1 or 2? Ang daya ng iba dyan. Ano? 2, 2?
What? Hindi mo tingin.
Ang bait talaga ng mga actor. Para lang magka-points yung ano. Alright, for this round, we're gonna give it to group 2 dahil sa effort nila. Okay!
Sige daw, group 2 daw. Group 2. Panalo.
Group 2. Ganun sila, gusto nila fair. Okay. Eh ngayon naman, since napansin ko puro sa inyo na lang yung mahirap, kayo una kayo. Ah, di ba?
Sabay siya mo lang yan.
20 seconds, pick up. 20 seconds. Alright, please flash the next picture. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Ako talaga gumawa ng PowerPoint eh.
Mahirap pa rin. Ate, do you feel any pressure right now?
Tiger.
Oh,
Ako si Vinci, ako si Vinci.
oh, 15 seconds na wala sa picture. 15 seconds. Okay, your 20 seconds starts now.
That's my picture.
2, 3,
Yung picture.
4,
Oh, di ba?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Wala na yung picture.
13, 14, 15, 19, 20.
si Gino na ang mali.
Uy, po!
Diba?
Talaga.
Di naman nakikita hanggang si Mr. Oh, ayan, naman tayo. Pututo ka naman. Ayan. Okay, was it group number 1 or 2? To avoid confusion, 1 pa rin po sila, 2 sila. Who do you think did better? Oh, puro 2.
Magaling to.
Alright, so that's 2 points for group 2 and 1 point for group number 1. Alright, next one. Okay ulit. Oh, go.
Okay, okay. Go.
Bawi.
Oh, 15 seconds lang yung picture ah. Okay. Okay, go. Next picture.
Wala na. Or you wait. Ganda.
Wala na daw picture. Wala na. Yes. Wala na. Ano? Yes, ano ka? Ano ka? 2-0. Okay, so who's the winner? Can we bring the winner over? Oy, bigyan nyo ng credit to si ate na stress siya doon. Na-stress ka doon. How do you feel, ate?
Happy po kasi nanalo kami.
How do you feel like posing along your idol?
We're happy po syempre. Tinag na namin pang
Grabe, pati ako nag-rap mo, lakas ko naman. Alright, kayo po, ba?
Sabi ako kasi first time makapag-participate sa games.
May mga fans kayo dyan, oh.
Sabi ko sa
Grabe, grabe. Iba yung energy ng ano, no? Ikaw, how are you, Kyler? Magsasalita ka naman sa program ko, no? Diba? Ang coaching Kyler. Nakita ka ba?
Okay na,
May naiingit, oh. So that's what I'm talking about. Alright. So, for your prizes, can we please ask the organizers to come on stage to present the prizes?
Gallina wala kami.
Pwede na wala kami prize. Saan yung prize namin?
Members, wala.
Wala kami prize.
Grabe kayo ko lang narinig boses mo. Tusang prizes na. Alright. Again, I would just like to thank our brand sponsors for allowing this event to happen. Let's give a quick shout out and acknowledgement to RNC Season Events, OneCast, and our major sponsor, JBL. Oh, should we have a group picture? Yeah, let's look at the front of the camera.